Cross stitch number 1. Because you're left-handed, you want to work from the right hand side. So put your thread under some stitches a little bit away from the edge and come through to the front. I'm going to make this a fairly big cross stitch so you can see what you're doing. So first of all, we're going to count down 2 holes in the binker and come up 2 holes further up. Now you're travelling from right to left, and we're going to carry on doing the stitches all in one direction, right to left. So 1, 2 down and equal 2 up the way. The stitches need to be even in cross stitch, and this is the easier method for doing a long straight line. There is another method that I'll show you next. This is a good way to get started. So I've nearly finished the number I want to show you. Go up the way, and now we're going to go back. So we're now travelling in the other direction, and we're bringing the yarn across and 2 and up 2, across 2 and up 2. So now you're going from left to right, and you keep on going until you get to the end. Take the yarn to the back and then post it under some of those little loops again. There we are. They're handy. And just trim it off